dollhouse.
Get in a dollhouse.
Okay. So first of all, you have to pull out these. Let me get you closer. You have to pull out these. You have to pull out these. The thingies. And then, first of all, the oldest goes in. The oldest goes in the bottom. The oldest goes in the bottom. She is the oldest. The second oldest goes in the middle. Okay. Go in. Okay. And then the youngest goes on the top. You need exactly 3 girls or 3 boys to do this project. But I don't think a boy would have a top. Sorry. 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 This video isn't so right, but it's good. Isn't so right, but it is. Sorry.